In the middle of the 20th century, Dr. Deming told American business leaders to rely on statistics rather than inspectors to improve quality. They ignored him. So in the 1950s, he convinced a little Japanese company called Toyota to use his methods. And so began the quality wave. Between 1960 and 1980, Japanese global market share increased from 3% to nearly 30%. The point is, being early or late for a wave has consequences. Same with the productivity wave, with lean and business process redesign. This will also be true for the innovation wave. It's hard to miss this wave. About 100 books on innovation are written weekly. But here's the difference. The first two waves apply to current operations, so they reach a point of diminishing returns. What do you do next if you have zero defects or a fully automated factory? The innovation wave impacts future sales, so it has unlimited potential. Figure this out, and you'll reach that holy grail of business: profitable, sustainable, organic growth. Winners here will master the science of B2B customer insight. For too many companies, innovation is more hope than science. Their innovation is like a medieval comet, rare, unexplained, and unpredictable. That's too bad, because the front end of innovation can be a science for B2B companies, which is something we'll explore in later videos. So keep improving quality and productivity. But remember, that's how the battle was won or lost in the last century, not this one. My first rule of battles is this: you can't win one you don't know you are in. In the innovation wave, you want to be the next Toyota, not the next Chrysler. And you can download this ebook to see all 30 of these videos in written form. If we can help, email us at info@theaiminstitute.com. We'd love to hear from you.